So good news from Mars. How about good news for California?
Yes, well, earlier on when Tony was talking about those clouds might not be good for astronomy because you can't see anything past them, but
useless.
They are really they're really good for what I'm going to say, which is we're going to be talking a little bit about the drought in California. And don't be alarmed, because this was the condition February 2016. That was the last year of our historic 5-year drought. And this intensity scale shows you how severe it was. And the central part of California was in exceptional drought, the highest level of drought, which was devastating to agriculture in the Central Valley. Now, we're going to fast forward to the beginning of this year, and we were still in drought. This is a drought that never goes away. But we're going to go week by week, because we've been getting a lot of rain, and you're going to watch all those colors disappear. We can keep on going. The yellow is abnormal dry, so there's no more drought there. And you can see this area expanding out.
And let's have a drum roll.
There's no more drought in Death Valley, look.
So this is very good news, and we can't take this for granted, but the rain is a blessing for us, and we need it to get through the dry season of the year and agriculture and everything else. So next time, get a glass of water and toast your friends with a glass of water.
Can we still only water our lawns on like Wednesday and Thursday?
We still
Friday?
have to do that.
It always makes sense to do that.